Recording the sewer line here at 7347 27th Avenue Northwest. Date is August 5th, 2020. This was a clogged sewer line. We were able to unclog the sewer line using a cable. What we're looking at now is the Seattle City main, about 90 feet out. And we're going to come back. I'm recording this from the clean out down in the basement. I'm going to zero out the footage here and come back from this point and get a look at the line. We're an old 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line right now. Coming back towards the house. That 90-foot mark might be where the neighbor ties in. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a look as we come back. But I was unable to get the camera any further. That's a sharp turn there at 90 feet. So there is our 4-inch to 6-inch sewer transition. I am going to run outside and locate this spot real quick. I'll be right back. Pausing the video. Okay, we're back in business now. Oops. I wanted to zero out the footage out there at that 4x6. You got 22 feet of 6-inch before you come back from that neighbor tie-in. Before you come back into 4-inch, we're going to zero out the footage again. So coming back now into 4-inch diameter, concrete sewer line. A sharp turn there with some roots. Another large section of roots there, along with the downspout tie-in. And then we're coming back into cast. So I'm going to locate this spot as a potential clean out install. Be right back, pausing the video.
Okay, credit card fee. So good.
Alright, resuming the video there at that cast iron. I was able to locate the transition from concrete to cast, and we're going to come back. This is underneath the foundation of the house now. Coming back up towards the clean out. And there we are coming up out of the pipe here. Someday. Right there. There we are coming up out of the clean out. There's the clean out access. And that's it for the video.